welcome to the demo video of Nova Protocol. As you already have seen, this was the pitch that I gave for Nova Protocol, the three layers, the automation layer, the trust layer, and the yield layer. So let me show you the code base ones. So this is our code base. We have used Next and we have used Solidity smart contracts here. Uh, we have seven different contracts. These seven contracts are like our main contracts that interact with each other. So next, I'll take you to the website. So this is Nova Protocol's landing page. So as you can see, you can take any kind of insurance. So without further ado, I'll take you to the policies page. You can get your policies here. So this is a cool UI as you can see. So Nova is our AI agent that helps us get uh, get a policy. So let's ask Nova what kind of policies does she have? What kind of policies do you have? So there are different types. So let's go with rough code. And now I have to specify my coverage amount. Let's say I'll take for one ETH, maybe for 3 months. So as you can see that I have to pay a total of 0.06 ETH. The calculation is a bit uh, like it's just a normal function. We haven't really given it much of a thought here, but we can obviously implement complex calculations here. So I'll say okay, and so we also give like the AI agent also makes another AI agent that is an auto payment agent. So let's say yes, it will pay my monthly premiums automatically using chainlink automation. So this will take a couple moments because the underlying smart contract for the AI agent is also being deployed. Just a second. And yeah, the policy is being created right now. We confirm and the transaction is confirmed, I think. Yeah. So next I'll go to the dashboard. Here I can see all my active policies. So this is my last policy that I got right now. So let's see it. Okay, so here are 89 days remaining, and it has a coverage ratio of 50, which is pretty large. But obviously, like I said, we can change the calculation for the premium. This is the IPFS where we store the details of the policy, and this is the premium. So we can obviously auto pay. We can turn on the auto pay. Just a second, it's happening. And yeah, so the auto pay is enabled, and we can also make manual deposits. Like you can also make manual, you can turn this off and you can do a manual deposit. So let's also try a manual deposit. Yeah, and that is also done. We can also fund our AI agent. Let's say I'm funding my 0.002 AVAX to my AI agent. We have used Avalanche because the confirmation time is really less here. So that happens. And then this is our protocol. You can also submit claims. The claim takes a couple of moments. Basically, it goes through underlying verifications. As you can see, let me show you. There is a rug pull check, which is a contract entirely for rug pull verification. You can see that we have implemented functions, chainlink functions here. Let me show you the chainlink uh, automations as well. This is the agent function where we fund it, and this is the perform agent upkeep. So basically, it is performing the upkeep. And this is the like the check function for the automation, the check upkeep, which checks conditions, and once it's okay, it performs the upkeep, which is it sends money from the agent's account to the yield pool contract, like I said in the pitch. So as you can see, the claim is being processed, and it will take around 5 minutes because it takes time to verify on the on the chain link. So obviously, once this is okay, once this is true, you can clearly see that you will get your claim directly to your wallet address. So yeah, other than that, what you can also do as a liquidity provider, you can stake into the liquidity pools. Like we have three different pools. Like I said, the pools are divided into low risk, medium risk, and high risk. For example, Rug pool is a very high risk pool, and you can obviously invest into the high risk pool. Okay, for example, let me show you here. 1 second. Yeah, this is also automation compatible contract. It basically sends your interest, like the interest to the liquidity provider. So yeah, this is also this is the function, the deposit liquidity function, and it's based on a risk level. So let me show you another thing. So we have risk levels. We have like the pools. The pools are pools. There are the pools are divided into like three types. You can see it here. Three different pools. There are deposits, there are premiums and claims. Different completely for the three of them. So meanwhile, the claims is I think is processing. Obviously, this will take some time. So this was Nova Protocol. Thank you.